In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get Adobe Premiere Pro on your Mac, PC, or laptop completely free. Start by clicking the link I've added in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to Adobe's official site with no extra steps. Once there, hit the Start Free Trial button. You'll notice several plan options: individual, business, or student and teacher. For this walkthrough, we're using the individual plan, which is ideal for use on a single computer. If you're managing a team, the business plan might be a better fit. I'm selecting the individual option. This gives us a 7-day free trial. I'm also checking the box for the 7-day Adobe stock trial, which gives you 10 free stock videos or clips that you can download and keep, even if you cancel. Choose that and hit Continue. Enter your email address and press Continue. You will now be asked to fill out a short form, which includes your payment details. You won't be billed until after the trial ends. Next, click on Agree and Subscribe. The next screen will ask you to create a secure password. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop application. Go ahead and install it, then log in using the same email you just registered. Once the app opens, click on the Apps tab and locate Premiere Pro. Click Install to begin. That's it. Premiere Pro is now installed and ready for action. You've successfully set it up. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Happy editing!